Casting off. Binding off or casting off is a technique to close your work. Always cast off in a pattern. We'll first show you how to cast off purlwise. First, purl 2 stitches. Then using the left hand needle, lift the first stitch over the second and drop off the needle. Now purl the next stitch. Again drop the first stitch over the second stitch. Purl 1. Now repeat this pattern till end. You can see the closed stitches in the front of the work. Now you can see some stitches are closed. In front side how it looks, and on the wrong side how it looks. In this way you are going to purl off stitches. Now knitwise casting off. It's similar to purlwise. Just what you have to do is knit first 2 stitches, then using the left hand needle lift the first stitch over the second and drop off. Again knit 1 and repeat the same pattern till all the stitches are casted off. The closed stitches can be seen on right hand side of the work. Now see how knitwise the stitches are casted off.